This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Ford Taurus. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: commercial-free satellite radio, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, 7 intelligently positioned speakers, leather seats, steering wheel mounted gear shifting, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button. And this vehicle has less than 28,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned Certification, a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Hudson Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2020 Crestview Drive in Hudson.